How to edit your profile on Upwork. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll teach you how you can edit your profile on Upwork, so kindly watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your Upwork account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, this is how the page looks like, where you would see some tabs such as find work, my jobs, report messages. By the time you scroll down, you would see other jobs that you can apply for. And the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen, where you can see your profile icon. Click on it, and then in the box displayed, click on settings. Once you click on settings, you will be redirected to a page where you'll be asked to verify by entering your password. Enter in your password and click on continue. And then once you've done that, you will be brought to the settings page. On this page, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen and then click on profile settings. All right, now you can edit your profile in two ways. The first way is by clicking on my profile, and the second way is by clicking on profile settings. So the first step, click on my profile. After clicking on my profile, you'll be brought to the profiles page. On this page, you can edit your profile by changing your profile picture first of all, and by clicking on the pencil icon to change your profile picture. And then you can also change your role as a graphic designer to something else. You can edit your description, you can edit your hourly rate, you can add your portfolio, you can change your skills. You can edit this the way you want to suit your taste and to enable you to be more visible to a client. And then you can also click on profile settings to carry out some settings that are not so visible to the public. And then here you can change your visibility, you can change your project preference, you can change your experience level, categories, etc. Just edit this and play around this the way you want. So this is basically how you can edit your profile on Upwork. Thanks for watching and do have a nice day.